rose water? What?
Ma, gusto siya maghapapan sa tubig. Gusto siya magsirina-sirina.
Unsa man na yung ipangkaon? Yeah. What is it?
It's blueberry.
Blueberry. Yeah, I just already made it a hole. Is it okay? No, na boat oh. Where's ate? There's. Naman ka diha, mukuyo kasi mong papa. Mamusa mamulinaw. Nay bulinaw ron daghan. Busy kay sila oh. Unsa naman na yung gibuhat? Oh, busy kay sila no. Hunas man di ay, it's low tide. What are you talking?
I don't like. I need to.
But we don't have any cutter here. We don't even have scissor.
Oh.
Oh, you just wait until we got home. Look at Ate O and Missy oh. Ate and Ate Missy oh. Sabi nang gibuhat diha oh, nanginhas na sila.
Ay, naman di ko ibunsa. Nga anak ko.
Let's check there. Ato ta dito be, let's check it out. Dito ta oh. Basta na lang ipanguha diha. Naman ni Ron. Hinay lang oh, kay dili kay maayo ang bunbun. Oh, madagma. La 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 la. Nice kay diri basta gapon oh. Mawai mong problema og isa ka minuto. Mubalik na pod unya. Tiod-tiod. Problem is part of life, you know. Yeah, ay mandi ay. It's low tide today. And then stray dog. They're getting some shells over there. Ambot kung saan nakakinason lang ipanguha. Mga bata nagdula. Ganyan, kay sila diri basta mahapon. Daw anong ganahan man mo diri mag-standby every like this? Especially now, it's already vacation.
Ubas. Ubas. Dili init.
Mama, please, Mama. Please, Mama.
Yes.
Mama, please.
Tora sila dito. Kaya pa diri sinang tining daghan kayo ko anong kuha. Pero wag til-til. Di magkabalusong, hindi taga-dagat. Karon pa di ka nag-practice.
Dukdukon ra man namo ang uban ka naon raw.
Tatili kay basabon makanani mo nang di. May nang hinlo daan.
Sabon man sa bagal.
Ayo, syempre lain sad.
Brasan.
Di pa pwede ba na kanang butangan lag-asin?
Ang
kanang kuan. Wala kung sa kinhason nga butang lang sa galon nga anaon og asin. Oo.
paglimpyo.
Oo. Tagpilang libo sa bangos ron? Pila? Kabarato wala gyud na ning saka masig 1,500 ana. Kana nay punong diha lang. Pero barato ra uy kapoy baya pud kay manguhag bangus no. Banguhag bangus. Bangus fry. Nobody take care of you?
No, nobody playing with me.
Nobody play with you? You can play with them.
No, because they don't let me play with them.
Oh, di ba? Oh, yun si ate, ikaw daw na play. You join them. Let's go. Ate will let you join. What are they playing? Come on.
They're playing castle because I want to play hide and seek.
Why do you want to play hide and seek? Asa man ka mutago?
Di, anak na lang to.
Oh, just like that. That's so funny. Oh, magtago. Asa man mutago kung mag-play og hide and seek? Asa man ka mutago diri? Layo man ato. Layo kayo ang bukid. The trees there is a bit far. There, at the mangrove forest. No.
How about this place?
Let's play what?
Stand and
Oh, yaka. You play there. You play with him just like what ate did. Not there.
Karon, himo tani. Kuan sa ni mountain.
Yeah. For sure, you're gonna win.
Ang daming pag